So for the opening note, we have a very, very special speaker. Radha Giri is the CEO of Midas Touch Consultants. She is a very, very passionate digital entrepreneur. She is known for her marketing strategies and social media marketing. She is also the author of a book called Are You Socially Shy? So please welcome the CEO of Midas Touch Consultants for the opening note, Radha Giri.
Thank you so much, Raju, for the lovely introduction, and thank you all of you for coming here on a Saturday morning. You chose to spend your time here. Now, in today's session, what we are going to talk about is, I'm specifically going to talk about personal branding, what it is, and how do you start building your own personal brand using three most popular platforms. And I'm going to almost give you a checklist of how you can use LinkedIn, Twitter, and blog if you want to build your own personal brand. So, when we talk about personal brand, what is it really? We have seen all these faces, we have heard them on TV, we have seen them in newspapers, we have read about them. So they're also very active on social media. So when we see them or when we read about them, what is it? I think there is a kind of an emotional response which gets generated whenever we hear their name or see them online. And that's, I think, what is called as a personal brand. You might think that, does it matter for me? Me as a person. Some of you might be technologists over here, some of you are marketers, some of you are consultants, well experienced and everything. You might think that, why does it matter for me? Well, in one sentence, it matters a lot. So when we talked about small companies, how it can help or how my business can generate more revenue, I personally feel that for small companies like us, I think it's the personal branding which is more important, because people would like to connect with you, the people behind you. So building your own personal brand is definitely going to help your company. So enough said and done that we all agree that we have to build a personal brand, no doubt about it. How do we go about it? I always recommend that when you want to create your own personal brand, the first thing you should do is take a paper and pen and write down the qualities which describe you. Why is it important? It is important because your online brand has to align with your offline persona. Once you define what your personality is, you have to define your goals and objectives. Why are you on social media? I want to create my own brand as a thought leader in a particular technology. I just want to connect with people. I want to grow my business. Be clear about your objectives. Don't just hide those or just say that I will be there, I will connect with people and then ask them for business. No. Honesty is the thing. So you must be clear about what you want to do on social media and what you want to talk about. And the fourth and most important thing is you have to know what is going to be your tone, how you are going to talk about it. The next thing, Google yourself. There is a term for that, do you know that? It's called ego surfing. When you Google yourself, you see what has come up, and then you have to evaluate, is that what people want to see when they search for my name? If not, it's in your hands, you have to change that. Now, you can't remove what has already been indexed on Google, but you can always replace it with something which you want people to see. And that's your effort of building your personal brand. This is a very useful site which I recommend to everyone, which is called as username check. What we call as, claim your identity. Claim your identity in the online world. This site will help you which names are available on popular social platforms. And I always recommend that have a consistent identity. You are ABC on one platform and ABC_funny on another platform, doesn't work. Have a consistent name, have a consistent identity on all the platforms.